Today we're gonna make banana. Hi guys, it's Emily and Jacob. We're gonna make some brownies. With syrup. Okay, let's start. We need some egg. Let's banana. Yay! Oh, there's no Jacob. I'll get it. Got this shit. Now it's time to pour this one in. Vegetable oil. And now it's time to stir it. Brownies! You ready? Hey, okay, now. Look how many brownies! Oh, and something else in here. What's this? Okay, Jake, let's open the brownies. Dump it. Let me help you. Yay. Now stir it. I want to stir it. I want to stir it. We can both stir it at the same time. Oh, slow. Oh, okay, I'm going to stir it. He's not doing good. Let me start. Like poo and stuff. I'm helping. Don't take a sleep in it. What? Take more. Okay. Hey, stir it. No, Jake. Yeah, I can stir it. I'll throw a little bit and then you can stir it. Oh, it's just so good, the fudgeries. Mommy needs some help. Take it. I can do this. With this one, okay? Yeah. No, it's... Okay, all done. Is he yummy? I'll put it in the oven. 3:35. I did. We're making brownies. Thanks for making